Today we're going to talk about a Samsung phone that is not working as expected. No, I don't mean the Fold. I mean the Galaxy S10, which was announced all the way back in February. Right? You know, that old thing. Anyway, users have been complaining about its in-screen fingerprint reader since basically day one, with users reporting it could be unlocked via a 3D printed fingerprint. Worse, one buyer recently discovered that if you install a third-party screen protector, a non-registered user could unlock the phone with just their own fingerprint. Yikes. At last, though, Samsung has acknowledged the issue and says a fix is coming soon, and that's according to a report from Reuters out today. In the meantime, the problem is serious enough that an online bank in Samsung's home country of South Korea has advised owners to switch off fingerprint recognition until it's resolved. We've asked Samsung to elaborate on what might be going on here, but until or unless the company comments, details are pretty scant right now. We do know that the Galaxy S10 uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect fingerprint rings. Plastic or silicone screen protectors are known to trip it up, so Samsung has been recommending that buyers use approved protective devices only. Even so, that doesn't really explain why the system is letting non-registered users get through. Until Samsung issues a patch, you might want to use face unlocking instead, although that brings its own set of problems. The S10's facial recognition can sometimes let you in with just a photo. Also not really good. Maybe for now then, just use a good old-fashioned passcode, huh? That's it for Engadget today. If you like what you've seen, remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next week.